Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. Well guys, in this video I am going to again teach you about rapid fire round. All you need to do is to reply to these 30 questions as fast as you can in order to get the fluency that you are seeking for. Okay? So I'm going to show you the demo. You already know what rapid fire round is. Let's get started without any further ado everyone. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Action. Were you happy yesterday? Yes, I was happy yesterday. Were you with a girl last night? Yes, I was with a girl last night. Were you in the office last Friday? Yes, I was in the office last Friday. Was she with you? Yes, she was with me. Was she nervous? Yes, she was nervous. Was he behind that girl? Yes, he was behind that girl. Was your father angry with you? No, my father was not angry with me. Was your mother over the moon yesterday? Yes, my mother was over the moon yesterday. Did you have a girlfriend few years ago? Yes, I had a girlfriend few years ago. Did you have some money when you were in the market? No, I didn't have any amount when I was in the market. How much money did you have? I didn't have any amount. Who was with you last night? My friend was there with me last night. Did you have your smartphone with you last night? Yes, I had my smartphone with me last night. Which car did you have few years ago? I had an Alto car few years ago. How many friends did that girl have few months ago? That girl had 5 friends few months ago. Did you have any enemy at that time? No, I didn't have any enemy at that time. Who had stress in your family last night? Well, my father had stress in my family last night. Why didn't you have some money in your pocket yesterday? I didn't have some money in my pocket yesterday because I went to my father, asked him for some money, but he didn't give me any amount. Were you excited when you were with that girl? Yes, I was overexcited when I was there with that girl. What was your reaction when she was in your arms? Well, I can't say what my reaction was actually when she was in my arms. I was just turned on. Was your friend disappointed when he was a shopkeeper? Yeah, my friend was disappointed when he was a shopkeeper. Were you in love few years ago? No, I was not in love few years ago. Was that building dilapidated few years ago? Yes, that building was dilapidated few years ago. Was that bridge rickety last year? Yes, that bridge was rickety last year. Was that lecture soporific? Yes, that lecture was soporific. Was that movie interesting? Yes, that movie was interesting. Were those guys overbearing? Yeah, those guys were overbearing. Was that child obnoxious? No, that child was not obnoxious. Was she in a relationship? Yes, she was in a relationship. Was she at her wit's end? Yeah, she was at her wit's end. Whew. That's all. So guys, you have to do this rapid fire round again and again, again and again. If you want fluency, you can take these 30 questions. I will put the PDF of this on my Telegram channel. You can take from there and you can write as many questions as you can. I have just used here was, were, and did you have, did she have, about state of possession of past and state of being of past. So if you follow this, if you practice this rapid fire round, I guarantee you will have that fluency, guys. So this is all about this video. Thank you very much everyone. Stay connected and keep supporting. Thank you, guys.